experience exceeded our expectations from Hard Rock Lisboa. Everything was perfect, but the special treatment we had from the manager of the place was beyond our expectations. The restaurant was very crowded and our order was delayed due to some error. I called one of the hosts and explained to them that our meal did not arrive on time. They reacted very fast to resolve the issue and our meal came immediately. The manager came to our table apologizing for the delay and insisted in making all our drinks on the restaurant. That was real generosity and real responsibility from a professional manager. I will always go to Hard Rock Cafe. Thanks. During a pandemic, I felt so safe from the moment we step in. They have an electronic machine that checks your temperature. Coming from the UK, they don't have this in place. The tables in the restaurant are spaced out. There was also a note on the table saying the table had been sanitized. They also provide clear plastic bags to keep your mask in, which is a fantastic idea. The food was very good and so was happy hour cocktails. When we were in the shop, the floor was labeled which direction to walk. You weren't allowed to try on clothes. Yes, I would recommend going to this Hard Rock Cafe. Wonderful greetings at the door. We were seated and the service was second to none. Our waiter Ginger was so pleasant and helpful. Really a nice person. There was 3 of us and all our meals were excellent. Then the manager came over and asked if we enjoyed our food. He got into a big conversation with us. Such a really pleasant experience and staff excellent. Of course, love all the guitars etc. Great classic car hanging from ceiling. Thanks. I wanted to give a shout out to our server Tesha on November 9, 2022. She was awesome. The staff at Hard Rock Cafes are always good, but she was exceptional. She provided ideas and suggestions for our dinner and they were all good. Great personality and superb service. Thank you Tesha for making our experience fun, and thank you Hard Rock for always finding great people to staff your restaurants. Went late afternoon then several times before, always good fun. Shout out to Cristiano, great friendly service, thank you. One night in Bangkok sharing shrimp, amazing to start with. As was the New York strip and bacon cheeseburgers, shared hot fudge brownie dessert. Not cheap but good portions and fab cocktails. Music and atmosphere wonderful. Give in a try. What can I say? Even though it's pretty much the same in all the Hard Rock cafes in European capitals, and we've been to quite a few, it's always nice to go back. They offer a few burgers with a twist, including some local specialties. We had a minor issue with our drinks, which was quickly resolved. Excellent service. Wonderful food. Even with the voucher, reservations are necessary to avoid queues. I almost couldn't finish everything. I highly recommend it. Only the alcoholic drinks were paid for separately, around 10 per glass. But everything else on the menu was included. I recommend it. Table was ready as scheduled. The staff was very nice and went an extra mile to make this a tremendous experience. It was our daughter's birthday and she just loved it. Thanks to all the staff, especially to Ricardo at Hard Rock Lisbon.